I'm still confused about how you're positioning your product.
The supporting leverage, basically.
Hi guys, I'm Armaan. I'm from Rajkot, Gujarat. Our idea is that we fund traders for a fee. Every trader wants more capital, they desire more capital. We fulfill that desire by allowing them to pay a small fee and getting access to capital.
In fact, 75% of traders in India earns less than 5 lakhs per annum. The transaction costs are so crazy. Retail traders have spent 50,000 crores over the past 3 years.
I was 15 when I started my trading. So whatever money I had in my pocket money, I could only trade with that.
Most retail traders faces this problem, the capital problem. They don't have enough money to put in as capital. Even if they have, that is not at a meaningful scale, and plus the transaction cost erodes their profits and capital.
Everything changed when I discovered Forex prop firms. They allow you to trade insignificant capital for a fee, right? A thought came to me like, why isn't there something like this in Indian markets? There should be, right? And that was my calling.
A trader would come and they would pay a fee and they would trade with simulated capital to achieve these profit targets and drawdown limits. And if you pass the challenge, you are moved to a funded account. This is still simulated, by the way. And now whatever profits you make that are paid out to them, we pay them out, right? There is no real money involved. If you fail, we earn your fee right away. And if you pass, you reach to payout, the fees would cover your payouts, right? And if you show consistency and profitability, real funds are given. So those trading returns plus fees would be our revenue. 1 in 362 traders would earn a profit split. 2.8 in 1,000 and 28 in 10,000 traders. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have built here is an absolute money machine. The profit mechanics are simply brilliant. Essentially, every valuation is just pure profit for us and little downside. This gives us a statistical edge, right? Now, imagine applying this edge to the Indian stock market, where the proportion for profitable traders is even lower than in Forex. FTM operates this model into Forex. So FTM did $213 million of revenue, but they did a staggering $100 million EBITDA. So this is the kind of profit efficiency I'm talking about. Plus, they are still growing 33% year on year, and they did 2.3 million trading accounts. India is massive. India has 185 million DMAX. We have 25 million active traders, and the number of active traders is growing 13% month on month.
Their question was very legit that regulatory would be a way bigger challenge for us.
Is this only going to be for regular trading? Would you put in FNO in this as well?
FNO plus intraday trading.
Do you have the regulatory authority to do that?
If you can do this with prove it to NSE that you are not promoting gambling, that traders are not gambling through your platform, this can be really done.
I think I answered really well in the beginning, but when they asked me about how would we position it, I was kind of unprepared for that.
What are you? I'm still confused about how you're positioning your product.
A platform here where you can get a capital for a fee.
The supporting leverage, basically.
Not leverage, because we have tied down to them risk management rules, right?
That's the question he's asking. Okay, whether it's supporting leverage or risk management tool, what is it basically? Very
I still don't know what I'm getting as a product, right? If I want to bet 50,000 on your platform, what is it I'm paying for?
Yeah, you get.
Am I paying for learning? Or am I paying for just getting in an environment where, I play a game and I'm going to get...
Can we say? That's one question.
Yeah.
So what am I? Am I investing in learning?
You're investing in getting access to capital.
So not learning.
You can potentially get learning from this.
Actually, I was going to say you're new age Zerodha.
Yeah.
Because if you think of how Zerodha built its platform, right? It was the university, right? If you get this right and you can convince the government and the regulators, they will back you because they want retail traders in the market. It stabilizes the stock market and stabilizes the country also, right? instead of the government becoming the enemy, they'll become your friend overnight. But you just need to
Position it correct.
position it correctly that I can actually get the next 50 lakh retail traders from India.
So, bro, I saw you from a while ago. You were looking at your charts. So, are you a trader?
Yeah, I've been in the game for a while.
Do you trade?
I've just started.
What if I tell you there is a way to trade with 50 lakhs without your own capital?
Wait, what? No way.
So I run Pricapital, a prop firm where you can take a challenge and you pay a small fee for it, you follow the risk rules, you hit the profit target, and boom, you are funded with 50 lakhs of rupees. You trade it, you make profits, we pay them out to you. No real risk to you. We've got the capital covered. If you got the skills,
Damn, that's actually solid.
go to precapital.in and start your trading journey now. If I get 5 lakhs today, I would definitely spend that on getting regulations checked, right? I would just spend it on getting good legal team with me.